Hemlock Farms is a private 3,500-home residential community nestled in Pennsylvania's Pocono Mountains. The community has its own private water system, which is sourced from a handful of wells throughout the system. One of their major supply wells was experiencing some water quality issues. Hemlock Farms Director of Engineering and Public Works, Doug Berg, explains.
The quality is such that it has iron and manganese. Manganese more so than iron. And at the time the well was developed in year 2000, the concept at that time was that sequestering would be suitable to tie up the manganese such that it wouldn't be objectionable. Manganese is a contaminant that when is oxidized with chlorine, it creates black particles, and it's an aesthetic problem. It's not a health hazard, but all this manganese was getting into the distribution system, which was in turn getting into people's homes.
After asking Entech to study its treatment options, Hemlock selected an oxidation filtration process to remove the iron and manganese, and a new treatment plant was designed and built. The process uses chlorine to oxidize the iron and manganese in the water so that it can be captured in the manganese oxide filters. Those filters are then routinely backwashed and cleaned, with the slurry transferred into one of 4 cone-shaped tanks that allow the minerals to settle to the bottom and be removed. The engineering design included all process piping, equipment, and SCADA controls. Additionally, our architectural staff crafted the building's exterior to coincide with Hemlock's existing facility's aesthetics and blend it into its surroundings, which included close proximity to homes in the community. With the project now complete, Doug Berg is back to discuss the project and plant's performance.
The plant's been in service now for almost a year. It's removing essentially 100% of the iron and manganese. The manganese levels are non-detectable. So the plant's performing very nicely, and neighbors near the source of supply have noticed have commented that they see a noticeable difference in the quality of the water. I mean, the manganese is gone. There were 0 change orders on the project. There was not one dime in extra money spent on the project, which is a credit to the design, because everything was in the documents. There were no extras required, and it got built as per the plan with no change orders, and everybody was pleased with that.